So as we know that this is for the training for the we have training for ETL testing, correct? ETL testing using Informatica tool, and where we'll be using our database tools for the for the our verification validations purpose. So this is ETL testing. Okay, ETL testing purely it will be testing only. Purely it will be testing, software testing only. So coming back to the my introduction, so myself Jayant Kumar, I am having total 11 years of experience. You may heard I have pinged many times in a group and all. Hey, Jay here, your ETL testing trainer and all. So my full name is Jayant Kumar, and I have total 11 years of experience in ETL testing only. I worked on ETL testing only. So sometimes I worked on 6-7 months in manual testing, but majorly I worked on ETL testing only. I have worked on approximately 10 to 12 project in ETL testing. Okay, and I have worked many companies I worked for IBM, I worked for Deloitte, I worked for UST Global, I worked for NetApp. NetApp was the project. I worked for Dell. Currently, I'm working with one of the company. It's a big company, a big MNC, but I'm just hiding the company name for the security purpose. So you hope you don't mind that. Okay, so 11 years of experience, and I'm in Bangalore. Okay, so I'm a Bangalore, and I have done my engineering from Bangalore itself, and we have we have four people. One is like management, like he'll be also pinging you in a group, correct? Me along with me, he's a Visal, and he'll be pinging you. He'll be interacting with you, your concern, whatever. Like many people, you have is already spoke to him, Visal. Many of you already you spoke with me, okay? And we have another member, technical placement. Like she was my student previously, and she received two offer letters. So technically she is very good. So I requested her to help our student. Okay, help our student to get a job. How to like I was feeling so much of burden, like handling all the people. We this is 23rd batch, and then so many people will be asking for doubt. I'll be taking mock, then group discussion. Okay, group discussion and everything. So for that reason only, I asked her like, please help me to take mock and all initial things you can do it, and then group discussion you can drive the interview preparation. You can help, you can push people if they'll be feeling any doubt and all in the course and all. You can explain them. If you're not able to explain, then I'll explain it properly. So she's helping me a lot. And then we have another person also. He is also very good. So I made him technical expert only. So he's driving all along with Sindhuja. We have two more person, technical person, who will help you to clear your doubt, okay, clear your doubt, whatever the doubts you have. And then the like group discussion, initial level group discussion. Okay, initial level group discussion, your installation process, he'll help you like anything. Okay, so he's very good. So I pulled it, and these people are, everyone is paid only. Okay, so it's not like they're helping and then they will not help you, because we it's like we have one team, and then is my voice is breaking, guys?
No, it is clear only.
Yeah, it is
It is
clear.
clear.
So whoever is having problem in hearing my voice, please log in and log out and log in again. Okay, so it will be solved out. Always restart works. Okay, so management and then technical placement, we have two more people who will be helping me to like clear your doubt and all these things. Okay, apart from that, management is the whatever the recording access. Okay, and then you want to join another batch, everything they will take, he will take care. Like another batch means like for the makeup purpose, like if you have missed 4 or 5 classes in the current batch and you want to make up those classes, you can join in another class also. Anyway, like it's online class, it is not impacting my space capacity and all. Correct. So that's what we are we are a one team, and we four are responsible to make you understand ETL testing. make your prepare yourself in ETL testing properly. Will make you like perfect in for the ETL testing interviews, and will get you offer letter. So today also one person received one offer letter of 11 LPA. Many of you have seen that, like in the group I have posted it. So today was his joining date, and today only he got 11 11 LPA of package. And then you like it's happened, like he was really good, he was put effort, and then he got the job. Other person last week, one person also like he got like 14 lakhs was the joining package, CTC, and then 1 lakh joining bonus he got. So 5.5 and 4 lakhs, 4 years. So both of the people I called, but they are busy with the like documentation part and all. So I told that Friday we'll have another class. So they will join back, and then they will tell you like how they have prepared and how they got benefited from the course and all. So these are the things are there. Coming back to I'm just making it little faster, this theoretical part, so that we'll have more time for the question and answer session. Okay. So if you'll miss anything, you can stop me after, like once we'll stop, you can ask again. But this is completely online classes. It will be completely in English. Any no regional language, nothing will be discussed here. Not in Hindi or not in Telugu or not in Kannada, and nothing will be there. So it will be completely English only. So one common language will all have, and in the group also when you will talk in English only, everything like pure professional way. We are going to work here for another 1 month, so that each one will be benefited and you will get the offer letter. So coming back to you may heard so many times ETL testing, ETL testing, ETL testing, but exactly what is ETL testing, you will be not knowing it. Okay, till now, like few people only you will be knowing that what is exactly ETL testing, but many of you will be not knowing that what is ETL testing. You may heard manual testing, you may heard automation testing. By the name itself, it's clear that manual testing, you are going to validate any software manually, and you will make sure that that software working fine when you validate the software manually. Okay, but automation also, it's look like you will automate the some of the test case or some of the process, and then like it will be automated, and then the things will be done. But ETL testing, it's very like very by the name itself, you will not able to find it. So I'll give you one example of banking domain. I'll give you one example for banking domain. When you go in a bank, okay, you do transaction, some transaction, withdrawal, you're depositing your money, or you're going to the ATM, you are withdrawing some money, or you are depositing some money. Anything you do with the bank, you're generating data. Okay, anything you do day by day, whatever you are doing with the bank, or you're sending money to the Google Pay, or from Google Pay you are receiving, or anything, you are generating data, and those data will be generated, and it will be stored in your statement. Okay, bank statement, it will be stored. So initially, when you do transaction in a bank and ATM or whatever, it will be considered as a raw data. It will be considered as a raw data. Why it's raw data? Because it's initially whatever the names and all, mobile number you will fill in your form, your data entry will be not correct, but account number will be correct. So it will process your data, will from the source, it will process to the multiple layer, and through the multiple layer it will process, and then it will reach to the final layer, that will be called as your data warehouse layer. Okay, ETL layer or data warehouse layer, or it will be your final database where your final data will be stored. So this, whatever the middle layer, whatever the data will be processed, no, we are going to validate those data whether we are getting proper data or not. A client will give some of the rules to apply on the source data. So we have to apply that, like developers has to apply those rules on the source data, and we have to validate that whatever the rules is given by the client, whether it is valid or not. So those are the things we have to do validation, data validation. In database, we have to do data validation in between the different layer, so that we'll make sure that when the data will be loaded to your final database or data warehouse, okay, it is very, very pure and very perfect data are there. Okay, so that in future also, if after 10 years also, if you'll come and if you'll find out, like if you want to find out today's transaction details, you will be able to find with the correct name and everything correct there in the 10 years later. Or if you want to find today 10 years back statement, they will give from where, from the final database only, they will download and they will give you from there. Because once the data will be loaded, it will be again your pure like source data will be processed through the multiple layers. All validations will be done, all the rules will be applied, and then a final data will be loaded to your data warehouse. So there only, that is the only use of your ETL. ETL stands for extract from the source data, transform in between the layer, transform the data in between the layer, means apply the rules in between the layers and load into your final database. So that is the meaning of ETL: extract, transform, and load. Extract, transform, and load. Transform means you are going to apply some, like developers are going to apply the some of the rules as per the client, and you are going to validate. That is called as ETL. Okay, so it is called as ETL testing. Overall, it is called as ETL testing, Informatica testing, data warehouse testing, BI testing, whatever you say, that is the same thing here. Okay, so I give you the one example of banking. So you can take example of anything like banking, your retail domain. If you're purchasing something from the Flipkart or Amazon, Myntra, or other places, you are generating data. Those data will be processed in between, and then it will be stored in a final database for the future reference for the company, so that they can generate the reports, and they can observe their business year by year, in 6 months, how much total sales is happening, what are the, which area is doing good, which area is not doing good, which area they have more profit, which area they have more loss. These are the things they will be able to generate the report when they'll have a storage of the data in the final database. So ETL testing job is to make sure that whatever the data is loading from one layer to another layer, it is valid and it is proper data as per the business rule. And your scope will be some different, like banking domain, complete banking domain. If in India also, you'll see that 100 banks are there. All over the bank, if all over world, if you'll take, there will be 50,000 bank also there. So all the bank, they need the ETL testing, like the data warehouse. They need data warehouse. They have to keep their data in a some of the final database. So their scope will be there for ETL testing. Your big bank, a small bank, medium bank, everywhere. Insurance company, you take in any insurance company, ICICI or HDFC, Bajaj Allianz, whatever the insurance you take, they also need ETL testers. Your retail domain, if you're going to the shopping mall, you'll see so many stores will be there, like Tanishq will be there, Malabar will be there, Kalyani Jewelers, or you see H&M, Reliance Trends, so many things are there, Vishal Mart, Big Bazaar. These are all what it, like they are generating data and they need some final database to store that. So they are also a scope there. So many other places, if they have business, they need final database to store their data. Okay. If your TCS company also, if you will take, they have 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs of 5 lakhs of 5 lakhs of just a second, 5 lakhs of employees will be there in that. Okay, so they need a proper employee setup, they'll do, and they'll store into the data warehouse. Okay, so why another point, I hope it is clear now. Okay, we'll move to the next point, why we need ETL testing. Okay, why ETL testing, why not manual testing or automation? Like why I'm saying that you should learn ETL testing if you want to switch to the IT company. If you're not working in IT companies, if you're working on a non-IT companies and you want to jump here, or you are not working anywhere and you want to join IT companies, if you're working on manual, okay, if you are working on manual testing, why you need ETL testing? Because ETL testing, no, ETL testing is easy to learn. Okay, very first thing, it's a easy to learn, easy to crack interview. Like interview also, it will be easy only. They'll not ask you some random question from the ocean. It will be from the syllabus only. Whatever I'll teach from there only, it will come 100%. Easy to survive in the industry. When you will join some of the company, you will say that, oh, also 5 years, 6 years of experience. How will I survive in the company? Because there like lots of hectic work will be there. They'll assign so much complex in nothing. It's easy to survive. When you'll go for interview also, whether like you're working as a for you are attending interview for 4 years as a 4 years or 8 years, same set of questions will be there, but little bit expectations will be more with the 8 years or 10 years of experience, but 4 years 5 years it will be very normal questions will be there. So that's why I'm saying that easy to learn, because it needs your basic SQL queries, not like developers like knowledge. It will be easy SQL question, select and all. Okay, when you'll go for the interview also, your if you are attending interview, no, if you are attending interview and they gave you some question in on the SQL. If your query is 70% correct, 80% correct, approach is correct, they will consider that you are able to write the query. It will be not so difficult. So easy to crack interview. When you will go to the IT company, only you have to write the select queries. Only you have to write the select queries, and you will have so many documents to refer those to write the query for the validation purpose. There will be helping hand also. Seniors will help you, and then when you'll be working as a ETL tester, no, developers also will help you to write the query. Okay, whatever the query or whatever the things you are going to, if you have not understood the requirement also, developers also will help you to understand the requirement, writing the query, all these things. So easy to survive in this case. It's very easy, very nice. And if you'll work seriously for 2-3 hours per day, full day work will be done. Full day work will be done. I like 1 hour, 2 hours also. If it's a very like you need more time, then you have to spend. But general talk, I'm saying that I'm not talking in a year or anything false commitment here. If you will be checking with any of the ETL tester, no, you will check 2 to 3 hours. If you'll work perfectly, you will be able to complete your ETL testing work for the full day. It's not rocket science. It's so easy. Okay. Why you should not go for the manual testing? Why I mean to say that very less calls are there. Very less calls in a manual testing. Very less calls in a manual testing. If many people of already attended you from your list, many people will be already completed the course, and they are pinging me. I'm not getting any call. Please help me to get the calls and all. Okay, in that case, manual testing calls are very less, because this is the based on the business data. You will have lots of calls will be there. Pay also very good. Okay, and it's the easy only. It's not so difficult. Now coming back to the why not Selenium Java, I mean to say that when you are joining as a first time, okay, when you are joining as a first time, you're working in a non-IT, you're working as a fresher, or you are working in some other mechanical companies, you are BSc IT, BA IT, BA graduate, you are BCom people, or anything like you are working in a manual testing, all these things. Why not Selenium Java? Because you know that Java is ocean. Once you will be trapped, you will not able to reach to the corner. They can ask you from anywhere. And this learning itself, it will take 4 to 5 months. 4 to 5 months it will take. Then 4 to 5 months it will take. You will take 2-3 months to prepare full things. Then how 7-8 months, 1 year you will invest in this only. Then when you will get the job, you'll have your priority will change. When I was taking 1.5 month class before two batches, so 1.5 month when I was taking 1 month, people were serious only, but another half month, no, they were like priority of the work changing for them. But how will you go for the 7 month, 8 month for the job? How will you wait? And that also so difficult. Surviving will be a problem in this field. Surviving will be definitely will a problem. It will be so much challenges. So that's what, whenever you are joining as a first time, you are planning to join any IT companies, or you want to move from IT, like non-IT to IT companies, or you are fresher, or your manual testing background. Manual testing background, what I mean is to say that if you're working as 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, you are more comfortable in the project. Okay. New things you will not learn only. You will be knowing little bit basic of SQL. Only thing is that you should know proper flow of ETL testing, and you will get the job. Manual testers, I mean to say. Okay. But remaining people start with this, survive in the industry easily with my help, learn the course properly, get into IT company with my team help, my help. everything. If you'll face any trouble while working in a project also, we are here to help you. We are not going to leave you in middle. Okay, we are going to help you. Okay, so these are the things are there. ETL testing, SQL easy, theory easy. Okay, everything is easy. You will be able to survive easily only. Manual testing, less openings, all these things I have told you already. No need to repeat again. If you want, you can hear it again through the, like I'm going to upload. I'll be uploading this one somewhere, so you can refer it again. Now, coming your one question, many people ask, what is the scope of ETL testing? Okay, what is the scope for ETL testing? Scope of ETL testing is very good because it's a business data. It is based on the business data. Okay. You are not going to stop buying the things online. You are not going to stop banking. You are not going to stop going to the retail shop. You are not going to buy anything online from GeoMart or from the Reliance Trend. So many things you are going to buy from all the places. Okay. So in that case, your data will be keep generating. They need ETL tester to validate the data, business data, so that proper data will be stored in a database. So for that only openings will be more. Nowadays, what is happening, like previously they were storing their data in a final database. It was a database. I mean to say that many people you will be not knowing the database. Database is a place where your like your data will be stored, where your data will be stored. Like if you'll see here, no, this is the database, and if you'll see, your data will be stored in this way. Your data, whatever the business data is there, this is the employees table, all the details are there. Employee related, all details are there, like employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, all these details are there. So like this only your data, business data will be stored. All the details in a tabular format, it will be stored. So all the business, they want their data to be stored in a proper manner so that in a future, they can refer it. They, if any help they need, they can take it. Okay. They can take it. Retail domain project and all, they are also like if any new requirement will come, like they have started in a new country or they have started new branch in a Mumbai. So what they need to update their like full architecture of data warehouse. So they'll also keep giving the requirement for the ETL testers to validate that when the new store is going to add to our architecture, is it like impacting other things? You have to validate it properly. So those are the things are the business perspective. When you will be joining the classes, you will be learning day by day. So not in the first day I'm going to tell you, but these are very important data. So they are storing their some of the project, they are storing data in a cloud, and they are going to pay you very nicely. They are going to pay you very nicely. Okay. So this is what many of you people heard that how I'm saying that 100% job guaranteed, 100% job guaranteed. So this is very important, very important. These are all secondary. These are all secondary. This is very true for anything. Wherever you join, if your effort will be less, no, honestly, you will not able to crack anywhere. Like you, whether you join anything, any other courses also, don't let it down your 100% effort. Okay, don't let it down 100% effort honestly. If you'll make it 100% effort down monthly, honestly, then you will not get anywhere. You will not get success anywhere you go. If your concentration is not there, your effort is not 100%, you're not active, then you'll get the time. Here 1 month I'm course duration, I'm saying that it may take you 2 months, it may take you 2 months, it may take you 3 months, but end of the day you will get it. No worries in that. But it will take time to prepare. But if you'll give 2-3 hours every day, honestly, per day, you'll be able to. I can give you in writing 100% you will get job in a when you will complete your course in a month. In 1 month only you will get the offer. If you'll give honestly 3 hours, 2 hours every day without missing, without checking your mobile, without checking anything. Your focus should be in a learning of ETL testing only. Definitely you will get it. We are not going to very complex thing, very easy. You give your 100% effort, honestly, okay, take your offer letter in 1 month only. This is written here. Confirmly, it is written. And I'm not telling you lie. Many of you people already spoke to me. I have not told anything lie. It's all correct only. You take 1 month, do hard work. If you'll give for 6-7 hours, within 15-20 days, you will be able to prepare the full syllabus. And you will be eligible to get like go for the interview. As I told you in starting, you are not doing anything wrong with anyone or with us also. No proxy, no backdoor. Okay. We are not supporting that thing. Learn the full course. Okay. Course material is super as per the my student, whoever got the offer letter, whoever is attending interview, 100% questions are coming from the document only. Whatever the document we have prepared, from there only it is coming 100% document, 100% question. All these things are coming in from there only. So this is 23rd batch. 22nd batch is running, 22nd and 21st batch is running. If you'll see here, we are having full process. You'll be attending the classes, your sessions will be uploaded here. 19 December, 20 December, 22, 23, 27, all these things will be uploaded once we'll complete the classes. Today we have done the classes, 7:30 was over, we have uploaded immediately. So document will be shared for your practice purpose. If you'll observe here, how many pages are there total in your SQL document? How many pages are there? Total 77 pages are there. See, 77 pages are there. So your theory part as well as your query part, your query part for your practice purpose. Okay, for your practice purpose. Like if you'll see the joins and all, full things are explained properly. Okay, everything. I'm going to explain you. I'm going to show you how it is coming. Your doubt clearance and sessions will be there. If you'll have any doubt while practice, if you don't know how to write it, we'll teach you, we'll hold your hand and then we'll teach you. Like that, we have a support team. We are 4 people. Okay. If you'll be struggling to write the initial queries or a complex query, we'll help you to get it that one. So no worries in that. We have full setup in the Google Drive only. Like you have seen the SQL, we have interview questions also. If you'll see the scenario-based questions, we have 230 scenario-based questions are there, which will help you a lot. Like see, 232 questions are there, scenario-based question. I got it from the, like when I was preparing 10 years back, I got that time. So that I'm keeping with me, and I'm going to help you based on my requirement only, based on my in experience only. I have attended more than 200 interviews. I know what are the questions they are going to tell, how to tell roles and responsibility, how to explain the project explanations, everything. So these are the questions complex level. We are going to see so many things. Okay, scenario-based question, interview question by the company, everything details are there. Your installation guidance are there, software installation, we have recording, we have document step by step, everything. Okay, SQL recording, your documents for practice, each thing, your project explanation, your manual testing, Informatica tool, group discussion, okay, data warehouse, ALM tool, agile methodology, all these things are part of your interview, resume folder. You don't have to depend on me again and again. We have so many. If you see my resume folder, we have created like this 1 year, 2 years plus, 3 years, 4 years plus, 5 years plus, 6 years plus. All these people, we have all the resume formats are there. So you don't have to you'll have the access for this. The moment you will prepare, you will clear your mock, will give you access for the resume preparation. Okay, it's Python. We are going to teach you Python also after completion of the course, but that is excluding, that is not included. That is included. Group discussion, so many group discussion will happen. We are going to show you all these things. Okay, we are not recording each and every group discussion. The moment I was recording the group discussion, no, many people they were saying that I'll be listening the group recording from the group. If you are listening the group discussion, what is the meaning of group discussion? So I stopped taking the recording of that. 4-5 sessions I took. And every day they will have the group discussion. Every day they will have group discussion. 2-3 group discussion will be there. So one will be taken care by Sindhuja, two will be taken care by your bank test, and I'll be also involved in that. If any complex question will come, I'll jump into that and I'll explain the thing. If you'll see full things like agile methodology, all the batches is like that: agile methodology, ALM, basic Unix command, data warehouse concept, Informatica, manual testing, Oracle, project explanations, all these things are there. So it's not a problem. Your job is my responsibility, okay? But your responsibility is what, guys? This part. You give your this part, I'll give you this part. 100%. With 100% guarantee. Okay? You give your part honestly, this part. Take this part with 100% job guarantee. No lie, no things, nothing. No false commitment. You give it, take it. You give your 100% honestly before you take it. You don't have to worry on the course material. It is a best in the market. Nowhere you will get this course material. Whatever the experience I have, based on that I have prepared. Okay, and I'm going to call Friday. In the first session only, I'm going to call 2 offered student. Okay, like last week and today, this week, who got offer letter. Both of them I'm going to call, and they are going to explain it very thoroughly. Okay, so these are the today I had to explain so many things, so that's why I did not call. So but you will have everything. Okay, so this is what we have. So this is mock interviews will be there. Once you complete the SQL, then mock interviews will be the first mock interview. When you will complete full syllabus, then it will be another mock interview will be there. Class recording and daily class notes after each class we are going to share you through the Google Drive. Till now we have a Google Drive. I'm planning to take Box, so through that also maybe in a couple of months I can share, but as of now Google Drive I found very best. Okay, so we have a space also, so through that only we are going to share. It's a nice the people are not facing any problem. It's a weekend evening batch. Okay, it's a weekend evening batch. Okay, evening batch Friday, 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours, 7:30 to 9. Okay, 7:30 to 9, 7:30 to 9. Okay, and Saturday and Sunday you will have 2 hours class, 7:30 to 9:30. Sometimes 2 hours, sometimes 1.45 hours, 7:30 to 9:30. So earlier I was taking 1.5 hour only this one, but it was going 1.5 month. People were getting slow down. So I thought, like, let's make it 2 hours effectively, and then we'll complete full syllabus in 30 to 35 days. So that's what I'm taking like this. Okay, guys. So this is what we have. Now coming back to the document. Okay, coming back to the drive. First initial classes will be on the YouTube only, and then it will be uploaded here, like how we have here. Okay, so this is evening batch, weekend evening batch. Now you can go ahead with your question and answer. Bisal, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi guys. This is Vishal Pandey. Basically, I'm taking care about the all management part. So if you have any concerns, so I'm here for 24 hour. Also, if I will available, so I will able to give the answer. And also, I'm the ETL tester in the MNC. I having the more than 5 years of experience in the IT. Okay. So if you face any problems, so you can talk with me as well. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So we are open for the question and answer. You can ask, but make sure that like like we'll discuss in last whatever we have discussed in starting. So the document part we'll discuss it separately. Okay, but go ahead with your question and answer first. Guys, go ahead.
Hi, Jay. This is Raj.
Yeah, Raj, tell me, Raj.
Yeah, how you mean weekly 3 days only, right? Class.
Yeah, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Remaining days,
So,
it will be group discussion or doubt clearance session.
okay, then it will take 2.5 months to complete 30 days classes, right?
See, what is there? Why it will take 2.5 months? 1.5 hour on Friday, 2 hours on Saturday, and 2 hours on Sunday. So how many hours total? 5.5 hours classes. We need 30 hours of class. In 5 weeks, how
Okay.
much it will be? 28, 29 hours. Correct.
Okay. I thought complete 30 days. I'm thinking in that way. Okay.
No. Friday,
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday.
Completely 30 hours, right?
Yes. And
Okay.
your group discussion, your mock interviews, your interview preparation session, your resume preparation session, what to tell in project, like your project explanation, your roles and responsibility, everything. That is the separate session. That is not included in this one. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then if it is 30 hour sessions, it will take 1.5 months only.
1
Okay.
month, 35 days maximum.
About what about that project discussion and other discussion? Will it covers in that group discussions, mock interviews, and all things?
See, the thing is that first I'll explain you that things. Good questions. Okay. So now if you'll see any batch you take, okay. So first we start with the Oracle SQL. So once we start with the Oracle SQL, we'll cover that one till function, and then we'll start with your group discussion. Before that, doubt clearance and sessions will be there. In a week, 2, 3 sessions will be there for doubt clearance. Like if people will be struggling initially to write the basic query. Once we complete the functions like 5, 6 classes, then after that mock interviews will be there. Then we'll go for the data warehouse classes. Your regular classes will start on the data warehouse, then Informatica, then manual testing, Agile, and ALM. And then end of the session, it will be your project explanations will be there. Project explanations will be there with your all document and all. Okay. So once you complete the full syllabus, we have two types of things, guys. So we combine 2, 3 batches for the group discussion. Once you prepare your full syllabus, no, we'll pull you into the job search group. Every month we are creating a WhatsApp group, like in a December job search group, in the January job search group will be there. So their group discussion will be different. That will be high level in the sense 2, 3 topics in one day they will take, and we are repeating in each 15 days those cycles, like complete 1 week for the SQL, 1 week for the remaining topics, and then 1 day for the project explanation. And the thing I'm going to explain you how to explain your things, like like project explanations and all these things, roles and responsibility, how to face an interview, everything I'm going to explain in your separate class. So same thing you will be discussing there also. 20 people, 30 people, 15 people will be there in a group discussion. Each and every one will be, and one person will be driving the session, like Banktes or Sindhuja, they will be driving the sessions. Okay, Sindhuja mainly for the, once you complete full syllabus, Sindhuja will drive that high level of group discussion. And then when you will be in a starting 2, 3 batches combinedly, starting of the group discussion, doubt clearance, it will be done by the bank test, where we have written bank test, man. Okay. Yeah, guys. So two participant. Hope I answered your question, Raj.
Yes, good.
Okay, iPhone, tell me, guys. Next time onwards, when you join, write your name. Like it's very, like
Hey,
telling
hey,
iPhone. It's not good, huh? Yeah, tell me.
hey, Jayant, I'm Teja.
Yeah, Teja, tell me.
I have one doubt.
Yeah, please go ahead.
How can we get SQL software and informative
We are
software?
going to give you, don't worry. We have like YouTube videos are there. We have softwares are there in our Google Drive. Okay, so you don't have to worry on that. We'll share you with all these things. You don't
Okay.
everything. Our
The quality
person
center
will.
tool.
Sorry.
Okay, it's okay.
No, like they will help. Like we are going to help you with the installation and all. You don't have to worry. We are going to give you the software also, as well as like how to install that also we are going to, if you like, if you'll see, we have a YouTube channel. So in
The
that we
quality
have,
center tool, will you tell?
sorry,
Hello?
what? Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, hi. Jay, this side Mohit.
Hello?
Yeah,
Actually, yeah, I have two questions.
yeah.
One of the regarding the syllabus that we need any other language before the start this course.
No, you don't need. I'm going to teach you full 100% syllabus. You
Yeah,
just have to give here only 100%. Now, if you'll see someone ask about the software installation, so we have software here, okay, and we have the recording of the how to do all these things. The steps are there, so everything is there. Okay, 21-minute video is there. In that, I have explained the full things. It is slow because so many applications are open. Let me start the recording again. Okay.
and what's the
This is-
system requirement for the installation?
Installation is, it will not be installed in Windows 7, I guess, but above that it will be installed.
That
We
I'm
have the
asking about.
document.
I'm asking about the RAM. Actually, I'm using my laptop
4
that I
GB RAM is
already
fine. 4
working
GB.
on another technology. So I'm asking about that.
4 GB RAM. It's very user-friendly software. It's not, and if you are not able to do it, then
Yeah.
you can. We have the online. Online also you can do it. No worries in that. Same thing you can do online also.
Okay.
Yeah, hello Jayant.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, Jayant, I'm working in one of the MNC as a manual tester.
Yes.
I do have experience with Selenium with Java, but I just have experience of 1 year. But even I'm attending for more interviews, but due to lack of programming knowledge, I'm not able to crack the interviews.
You mean
So-
Java Selenium?
Yeah, Java with Selenium.
So you will be knowing the pain, correct?
Yeah, because they're asking in the starting itself, they're asking me to write a
Very
program,
big,
so
big.
I was not able to crack the interview.
Mhm.
But I have a knowledge in ALM and Agile process as I have
Mhm.
worked for 3 years. But I just want to know how this will help me within just 1 month, whether I will able to crack the interview, because I'm working as a contractor here. So my
You know-
contractor period will get over by next month.
Yeah, you know SQL, basic SQL?
Basically, SQL about writing a commands, I have a basic knowledge.
And then fine, we'll give you the early access of the previous class recording. What we'll do, we'll give you the access to the previous class recording, like full SQL. I'll say 50% of syllabus will be your SQL only. Okay, because this is very important. So consider that first I'll give you access on this. Every Saturday you have to update your progress, how much you have learned. You have to give mock. Once you'll complete this full SQL, you have to give the mock to me. And then once you complete this one, then we'll give you full mock on this. So 1 week, you can take like 15 to 16 days. If you'll give 3 hours, 4 hours every day, you will be able to complete in 15 to 16 days only full syllabus. And then you can go ahead with your resume preparation and interview, like attend. You can go ahead with the interview. Like in your case, we'll make it proper, like faster only. But your effort also needed, no doubt in that.
Yeah, I can give 100% effort, but my doubt is I have manual testing experience, right? So
We'll convert that in ETL testing. No worries. How many? 5 years you told, correct?
total I have 4.5 years actually.
That will convert 4 years in ETL testing. Okay, and then 6 years, 6 month, 5 month, we'll keep it manual also.
Just you change the experience in resume, or whether I need to buy any documents?
See, the thing is that how it works, no? What project you worked on, what inside the project, what you have worked, whether you have worked on Java, whether you have worked on ETL testing, whether you have worked on manual or cloud or anything, it does not matter. Okay, so
Okay.
you can anytime you can like fake your resume. Everyone do
Okay.
that in the real time scenario. In 20 years of experience, people also they faking their resume. So we'll fake the resume. That is the meaning of that. We'll change completely into the ETL testing only. And
Okay.
for that only you will get the package more.
Yeah,
Multiple of 3 you can consider. Okay.
Yeah, it sounds good and it's creating interest, but still I'm having somewhere doubt, like with very less fees, like you people are offering this course and uh, I mean giving guidance to for the
I'll tell you the things where I'm saving my time.
okay.
Okay, where I'm saving my time. If you see my Oracle SQL notes, no, like generally, if you'll go in on any other classes, no, what they will do, they will what they will do, any topic if I'll take for the like any SQL topic, so take it as anything like functions only, you take it. So what I do, theory part I make it separate. Okay, theory part I'll make it separate. Guys, go on mute if you're not attending like this. And then query part I'm making separate. I'll prepare only, early only I'll prepare, and I'll explain the full process, how it works. Like, see the thing. So if you'll have like this already created one, I'll explain the query part by part, break it like this. And instead of writing, no, I'll be taking more time on explaining only. If I'll write this query, it will take 2 minute time, correct? In 1 second only I have pasted, and then we got the result also. And same thing I'm going to explain you. So there only I'm saving more time. People will say that how will you complete in 30 hours? So there only I'm saving the time. Only thing is that when you're writing the query, it will take more time. But when you are copy pasting and you're explaining, you're breaking the query and explaining, you're taking more time to explain it instead of writing and explaining it. So it will be time, you are saving your time. And when you are writing the query, somewhere you will do the syntax mistake. So there I'm saving my time. Now it's clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
So you don't, you when you join, like you'll see that how my method, how my explanation, until unless you will not understand, until unless you will not have confidence, will not move ahead only. So that is my funda for the, like teaching. So many people, everyone, whoever join, like they tell that my teaching method is very good. It just understand, like it's making it very easy. You're making it very easy. And the way you're explaining, it's getting stuck in my head. So that is the thing. Like if I'll share some of the reviews on your group, and you read it. You guys read it. We have many more. I'm not sharing reviews and all these things, because I don't feel like if you are comfortable, you join it. It's not like someone will say and then you join it.
Okay, so to become an ETL tester, is it SQL is enough?
SQL, then what I told, full syllabus we have, Datawarehouse
Informatica?
concept.
Okay.
Syllabus I'll tell you on the Friday. 10-minute work is there. So for that
Okay.
we need like I'll show you only. Just give me 1 second. Not only SQL, okay. So we have full setup is there. So these are the things you should know in ETL testing full. Like your data warehouse concept, SQL, basic tool, complex SQL, Informatica tool, ALM tool, basic Unix command, basic manual testing, agile methodology, project explanation. These are the things you have to know it to become a ETL tester.
Okay. ALM, I am already working on it. So do you cover Jira also?
Jira we don't cover because ALM one tool only we are taking. This is famous tool. And weightage also will be more. Jira is easy. Okay, so you can go ahead with the one recording in a YouTube. You'll understand that. That is not so difficult. It's so easy tool, Jira. So that's what I'm not wasting time on that. Otherwise, people will say that syllabus is increased and they'll feel complex. Non-IT guys, I'm saying.
Yeah, got your point.
Yeah, next question, guys. Fees for full course will be 10,000. Fees for full course is only 10,000, guys. I supposed to increase, I supposed to make it 15, but from so long I'm just keeping 10K only. We'll see next time.
Hi Jay,
Yeah,
this is Mahesh. I just wanted to know the complexity of this ETL testing, like means currently I am working as a QA, automation QA, and I am having 1 year of experience. I am using Python itself name for, and in this now I am just struggling with Python also and some pipelining process CI/CD. So means so I am continuously struggling with this automation QA. So I am going with the ETL. So I just wanted what are the uh, difficult parts in ETL?
Yeah, I'll tell you that. Okay, so you are into WhatsApp group?
Yeah, general.
Can you ping me right away?
Yeah, just
Okay. Yeah, Mahesh. So the thing is that if you see, like people are saying that Python is very easy. Python is very easy. Okay. 4 years back, I have learned Python data science. But when I saw the like query, like one line, it was answer was coming. But it was like 30-40 lines query, and you have to you should know very depth of that. Like it's a Java only programmings are there. Oops, concept, class, object, method, so many things are there in Python also. It's not so easy. Correct. So, but here in SQL, queries are very easy. Very easy. You don't have to struggle much. Only thing is that if you know the select statement, joins and all, you will be able to survive easily. The SQL knowledge, see, it's cracking interview in SQL is very easy. Like people should select first this one instead of going Java or Python. Python by the name itself is saying that it is very easy. When you'll go into that, it will be so complex, programmings will be there. So it will be easy. You don't have to worry on that. It's very easy. When person will join on Friday, you can ask the same question, how complexity will be there in cracking the interview in this. So they will tell you the level of interviews for this. Okay.
yeah, okay, thank you.
If I'll tell, maybe it will be not you'll be not convinced. But people who already got offer letter recently, my student, if they will tell, you'll be able to get it. And I gave you it's not fake that I'm just telling that 2% got offer letter, because I have gave the evidence also in the group. You can check that also. Today's offer joining date was there. Okay. So don't think that anywhere I'll be telling you lies. Nowhere I'll be telling you lies. I don't need your money if I'll tell you lies. I'm not person like that. I'll be not lying anywhere. Whatever frank is there, whether you join or not, I don't care. But no lies, no false commitment. Yeah, guys. Next question, if you have any.
Hi, Jen, Nilima here.
Yeah, Nilima.
I have few questions. First thing is that like I have very long period of career gap, and I'm from non-IT background. So like from where I should start, like because SQL you're saying, but see for me, because I'm from non-IT background, so that's why I'm asking, like from where I should start.
Are you working somewhere?
No.
No, like I'll tell you one thing. Okay, so that is the achievement for me, and that's why I'm telling. Otherwise, I don't need to tell it. See, one of the student, okay, so one of my students, she was senior than me. Okay, so she was 97, she did BCom. So North India she was, and during the COVID and all, some accident happened, and then she was struggling with the family, and they were having two big kids. So she needed job urgently. So she called me and then told me, Jayant, I need job anyway. Like, can you able to help me in this case? I told, join it. Okay, join it. You will try our level best. We'll try to get you a job as soon as possible. Now she really put effort. There is no doubt in that. She really put effort. She was one of the better student compared to the freshers or compared to the 4 years or 5 years of experience. 97 pass out, guys. 97 BCom person, and they were putting lots of effort day and night. They were practicing. They were learning. She was learning the thing, and once she completed the course, after completion of the course, she got job. Within 10 days of completion of the course, she got job in Delhi, Gurgaon, for 6.5 lakhs of package. Okay, package less, I know, but she told like, this is more than sufficient for me. I'll put my effort to deliver the things in the company. and she's working successfully. There is no problem in that. I'll tell you another story. 2006 pass out. Okay, so she was also lady, and she got like she took time, 3-4 months. She took time to learn it because she was a faculty in one of the college. Then she got 3 offer letter. 3 offer letters she got.
Okay.
So you have to be motivated. You have to give your this thing I want from you. That's all.
Yes, yes, but actually, I have done I have done the course like manual testing with automation. There was like Selenium part, Java,
How many
and even
months?
I have done like like courses I have done, but like I'm struggling with Java, and that make me so scared regarding the language.
Mhm.
So
So
that's why I'm
whatever
asking
the
like
things I
SQL.
told you, same thing, no? Java, Selenium, so much
Mhm,
difficulties, correct?
mhm.
And how many months
So
you took time to learn that?
recently I had done like 4 to 5 months in Salesforce. Then when the Java part come, I was like, from where I should start.
Mhm. So that is there. That will be there. Definitely, the Java is not so easy, difficult, not so easy. Even though people are working real time, 10 years, 11 years and all, they are struggling to crack the interview in Java. I'm telling you, frankly, if you ask with any of Java
Mhm.
working people, they will tell you the same thing. No false commitment. But you learn here 1 month and you will get it, 100% you will get it. This is not so difficult. It's so easy.
Okay.
That's why I told you
Okay.
4 years back, I learned the data science, but I
Mhm.
feel ETL testing is comfortable for me. 2 hours, 3 hours per day, I'll be able to deliver my work per day. So why I should move to other, like, and I'm getting paid same only. Why should I move to any other skills?
Okay.
Learn it,
And
you will get it.
mhm. And one more question.
Yeah.
If for ETL testing, how much scope in my area? Uh, because that also matter. I don't want to relocate. So right now, like I'm outside of India. So
Mhm. So you are in
like
India
in my,
country, you're moving out?
I am already outside of India,
Oh, is it? Which location?
Texas.
Okay, so see, we in each batch will have a, like some of the foreigners candidate will be there, or some of like NRI, or like who already shifted to Canada, USA and UK. Many people, many from many countries, people they are joining my batch. So one thing I'll tell you, like USA, many people they are learning it and they are able to get job there because they are very BGP and all are not processed there. If you show your resume, 2-3 years of resume, 4 years, 5 years of resume, that is more than sufficient. So they are not
So
going to verify anything there.
like you're saying 4 to 5 years also is sufficient to
5 years is more
show
than
as an.
sufficient. Yeah, yeah. Which
Okay.
year pass out you are?
I'm 2011 pass out.
Then 5 years, so fine. No, 2006 years, 2006 pass out. She showed 5 years. She got 3 offer letter. 97 also I made 5 years only. She got offer letter. So
Um,
2011 to much better.
okay, but like in my own like location, because I want to make sure of that thing. I don't want
Which
to
year pass
relocate.
out you are there?
I am 2011 pass out.
No, no, not like which year you went there in Texas.
That is 2014. In USA I came 2014.
Yeah, we'll discuss separately, okay? I'll help you in that case. No worries. We have other people also who will help you in that case, okay? And like people are
Okay.
calling from Pakistan and Bangladesh and all. I'm not taking those people, but definitely people are joining from USA, Canada, and UK, Europe people, Australia people. So and many people are there. So we'll help you in that case. We'll talk separately. You give me a call.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, Jayant, this is Emmanuel.
Yeah, Emil, tell me.
Yeah, I'm joining from UK. Just want to know what are the opportunities? How is the market for ETL testing? I've already worked on Informatica.
Informatica developer.
Yes.
Then you'll
Informatica
be
and
knowing
testing for
the process of ETL testing, correct? Like how
I
many?
have not done testing. Like I've done the transformation part of it. And
Yeah, that's what I'm
for
saying,
data,
Emmanuel.
for data migration, we've done.
How many openings will be there for the developers, no? Informatica developers. That many openings will be there for ETL testers also. Anywhere, any country you go, same process will be. If 5 developers are there, minimum four testers will be there, 3 testers will be there, ETL testers.
I'm talking very specific to UK.
Sorry, sir. Your voice is very low, Emmanuel.
No, I'm talking very specifically about UK. How's the market? I mean, with your experience, with your
See, outside India, no, it is like little less openings are there because if you are going for how many total years of experience you have in Informatica development?
5, 6 years.
6 years, then definitely you will get a good package. Now also your package will be more. If you'll go on ETL testing, definitely you are going to get 70 to 80 LPA package there in INR, Indian currency. One of my friend, he went through one of my previous company and he joined there. He went from here 51 lakhs LPA. Okay. And then he started searching there after 1 year and then he got recently 78 LPA package. When he switched to other company, he got in TCS now.
Yeah, I was also working as a contractor for TCS only.
Oh, is it so?
So that-
Nice. So is it like your contract is getting over soon?
It is already over. December 30th, it was over.
Then you are out of job now?
Yeah, right now out of job. So I
Mhm.
was into infrastructure testing also.
Infrastructure testing is what? Like, is it related to IT?
See, I've worked on multiple domains. I've done ETL, I've done to infrastructure, IT infrastructure, that is networks and everything.
Mhm.
So,
Emmanuel, your case is different. Let me talk to you separately. Okay.
okay, all right.
Please ping me separately. We'll connect and then we'll talk on the basis of that. Because see, some things you should know, you should learn, which will help you there. Correct. So let's discuss more on the phone. Okay, and then we'll discuss on that part. Because you will be knowing SQL properly, and you need only 1 week of time to learn testing process of ETL Informatica. That we can discuss separately. Okay, how it will work out. It's like I know how you should work so that like you will get a job easily and knowledge also. Yeah, guys. No, next question if you have any.
Yeah, hi Jan, this is Manali.
Yeah, Manal. Hi.
Somehow my question is similar from last two mates. I'm currently in Germany and I am a non-technical person. I have studied by my own and I cleared ISTQB UK board and did Scrum Master also. So I was wondering whether I'll be able to understand this ETL testing first part and whether it will help me to get job here. So these are my two questions.
So Germany also is having lots of IT companies, correct? UK,
Yeah.
Germany, okay, Netherlands, even the Sweden also so many companies are there. So, so based on that only, you have to search there. The thing is that learning process, whether you able to learn here or not, initial 2-3 classes will be free. You can join there, and then if you will be finding that you are able to learn the things, you can continue. But see, the thing is that in your case or UK or USA course case, first you have to learn, and then you have to find there on what basis you will get job, like how to like how to fake your resume there so that like they'll be considering your resume for the job. Like we know India, like how it works.
Yeah,
As I
that's
explained, like
yeah.
you have to find out in Germany, UK and USA, how can you fake your resume so that it should work out there in that location.
Okay.
If you
Yeah,
want
because being a
any,
non-technical person, I was wondering whether I'll be able to do that or not. So that's what the
definitely
reason.
100% you will be able to do that. We have mechanical pass out people, BA people who got job, BCom people who got job. So you don't have to like you don't have to think in that way. Like if your communication is perfect, I feel like you will be able to do it. If you are giving 100% effort initially, though, if you will be teaching kids ABCD, they will be also struggling. But one day
Yeah,
they will learn it. Correct. The same
Yeah, I
thing.
have done my this manual testing and this ISTQB. I did it by myself without any guidance, without any course instructor, anything else.
Then this is
So
also, this is a high level of manual testing only with SQL knowledge. That's all.
okay, okay,
So it like 30%, 20% things will be manual testing only. If I'll show you the syllabus of manual testing, you will say that like, okay, this is part of your, whatever you do, the manual testing. These are the things what
yeah,
we are going to
these all
learn.
things I know. Yeah,
Yeah. So it's like 20, 30% manual only with technical.
okay,
In manual, what you are doing everything manually, but here we are doing
yes.
technically.
Okay, so you teach that also, like how to apply all these things in
Yeah,
complex
100% syllabus until unless like 100% confidence will be transformed from my side to your side. Okay,
okay.
so that wherever you will go, whichever project you will be working, you remember me, like what I taught you. Like it will be very
Yeah,
nice.
because
Like
I just want to gain some practical knowledge now, because all these things I have studied whatever topics you have showed in the screen. So everything I know, but yes, the practical application is must before entering into the MNC or something.
definitely, definitely, you are going to get it. SQL is very important, and
Yeah.
if you'll give 100% effort, our team will be
Mhm.
there who will be helping you to clear your doubt. Me will be there. I'll also there to help you to writing the basic query from basic query to the complex query up to that level.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank
And
you.
yeah, someone posted that after job, like after course, what about the jobs? So what I told you, now, until unless you will not get job, I'll not leave you. So until unless you will not get job, I'll be pulling you into each and every group discussion, motivation also. Today also I dropped my old student who are sleeping, like who paid fees and then they have completed the course. Few people will be there in each batch. Like if we have 20 people, 5 people, 6 people, you will get that after completion of the course. No, they will not come back only. Like they'll not bother, like they'll throw the money and then they will sleeping. Then I'll bugging them, come and join. If you want again join the batch, join it. If you want to join group discussion, join and take this advantage. January, February, we have lots of opening in market. The openings are started coming. People are started receiving offer letter. Start it, get your job. February, again March, April, little bit down will be there. So March it will be there. April again it will be little bit down. It will be openings will be down. So get your job in Feb and mid of up to mid of March. You will get the job. So this is what I'm motivating people. And until unless you will not get job, if you will be struggling in interview, I'll be taking your mock continuously to make you perfect. If you will be struggling in the Naukri profile, if you will be not getting calls, I'll help you to get more calls. I'll be checking your resume also. I'll be checking your resume also. I'll be checking your whatever the Naukri profile also there. I'll take the password and personally I'll check. Now we have 2 more people to help me. Before that, before 2 batch I was not having. I was alone. I was taking and Vishal was helping me. But I got now we are 4 people. So will you people don't have to struggle anything in job search and all. Just this part only I'm just focusing more and more. It will be funny also, but here. Okay, this part only thing I'm expecting each and every day. That's all for another 1 month. 1 month, that's all. 100% effort, honestly. Take your offer letter with 100% guarantee.
Hi, Jayan.
Yeah, tell me.
Jayan, this is Shankar.
Moin Khan.
Already once again completed the ETL course, but I am not getting a single call on that course.
ETL testing, you have done the course?
Yes, last time I completed the ETL course and just attended the 2 interviews. Cleared also first round, but failed in a managerial round. I don't know how to attend in the manager round. Without response, they rejected me.
If you are able to clear your technical round, don't worry.
No, I am cleared a technical round.
And that's what I'm saying. If you are able to clear your technical round, you don't have to worry. Whatever the course, wherever you have learned, just do that one properly. And if you want any manager kind of, like tips and all these things, you message me separately. Okay, on my WhatsApp number will help you in that case. Okay, how to face managerial round or HR round, I'll help you in that.
Yeah, Jayant, because I failed in the last 2 interviews also in manager and
Do one thing, Sankara. Okay, join our group discussion. Try to participate in that. Your communication will improve in that case. Okay, and you'll
okay.
be knowing that how to explain and all. Project part also you learn from here also, and then both combinedly you can go ahead and you will get the job. Okay, I'll be ready to help you.
Okay, Jayant, thank you.
Yeah, you are in group, correct?
Yes, I'm in group.
Yeah, fine. So any other question, guys? Now 9:20 is there. Just give me 2 minute time. I want to say something as I told you in the starting. In the end, I will be explaining. Then again Friday you can ask question. No worries. Yes. Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's close it. We'll meet Friday evening 7:30. Okay, guys. We'll call 2 person and I'll explain you the full syllabus also. I have not explained full syllabus. In Friday class, I'll be explaining you full syllabus. Whatever the syllabus we have for ETL testing, it will take 10 to 15 minutes and then 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour for the 2 person who got offer letter. I'll call them and they will explain your preparation. Okay. So join that Friday class will be very important and then we'll start with the first session of SQL part will start here. Introduction to SQL will start on Friday. Everyone, okay. Bye everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much for your questions and then listen me patiently. If thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Rajani. Thank you all.